Hi, and welcome to the HT2 channel. This week we are going to cover some steps to take to get your home better prepared. So sit back, relax, and get ready for this week's session. Welcome back to the HT2 channel. I'm Kelly, and I will be walking you through today's video, wherein we share some tips for you to consider in making your family and home better prepared. We recognize that you may be delaying your efforts to get your family and home prepared because you simply don't know what to do. So we're going to make this easy for you. We're going to cover 3 places to start. The first thing you want to do when developing your family's preparedness plan is to investigate your risk of disaster for where you live. Look for both internal and external risks. Within your home, you have internal risks like house fires, carbon monoxide poisoning, food poisoning, tripping, falls, etc. Externally, the location of your home will largely influence your external risks. In Washington State, we have many types of geological and weather-related hazards that can occur, like flooding, wildfires, earthquakes, avalanches, volcanic eruptions, lahars, windstorms, tornadoes, and that is just a short list. Once you have identified the types of risks you are most vulnerable to, you can now move on to the second step of mitigating risk internally. In the mitigation step, you are looking for ways to safeguard your loved ones and protect your property. Life safety is your #1 priority, and knowing what to do before an event occurs is essential to survival. Lastly, and the final step in today's video, is to mitigate your risks for external threats. You should familiarize yourself with the local risks and what emergency management mitigation plans exist. Go to your local city, county, or state emergency management office to learn about the geological and weather-related risks that are likely to occur where you live. Think about events that have happened in the past too. Your individual experience can guide you well as you move into implementation of mitigation plans. Well, that's a wrap. So now you know what you should do to get better prepared. And next week, we will get into the how to implement these mitigation strategies. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope that you will continue to follow us and join us next week to learn more about making your family and home better prepared. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to get the latest videos. Until next time, have a safe day.